To effectively use CyberScout pricing, start by understanding the concept of identity theft protection and the role CyberScout plays in it. CyberScout is a leading provider of identity theft protection services, offering a range of solutions to individuals and businesses. Their pricing model is designed to be flexible and scalable, catering to different needs and budgets. The first step in using CyberScout pricing is to determine the level of protection you require. CyberScout offers various plans, including individual, family, and business plans, each with distinct features and pricing. For individuals, the plan typically includes monitoring of personal information, credit reports, and online activity, as well as access to fraud specialists in case of identity theft. When evaluating CyberScout pricing, consider the cost of each plan and the services included. The individual plan is usually the most basic and affordable, while the family plan offers more comprehensive coverage for multiple individuals. Business plans are tailored to the specific needs of companies, providing protection for employees and sensitive business information. A key concept to understand is the difference between monitoring and resolution services. Monitoring involves the ongoing tracking of personal and financial information to detect potential identity theft, while resolution services provide assistance in case of an identity theft incident. CyberScout pricing reflects these distinctions, with higher-tier plans offering more extensive monitoring and resolution services. Practical examples of how to use CyberScout pricing include comparing the costs and benefits of different plans, considering the number of individuals to be covered, and assessing the level of risk and potential impact of identity theft. For instance, a family with young children may prioritize a plan that includes robust monitoring of online activity, while a business may focus on protecting sensitive customer data. Best practices for using CyberScout pricing involve regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan as needed, taking advantage of discounts for long-term commitments or bundling services, and ensuring that all covered individuals understand the services and how to use them effectively. In conclusion, using CyberScout pricing requires a thoughtful evaluation of your identity theft protection needs and a clear understanding of the services and costs involved. By following these steps and considering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices, you can make informed decisions and effectively utilize CyberScout pricing to protect yourself or your business from identity theft.